I have always been curious, how exactly do escalators work? And whether you can safely walk around when they break down. First, an escalator is made of multiple steps, and the flat area where we place our feet is the step surface. What drives the escalator is a motor at the top, where a sturdy bearing pulls two massive gears on the step chain. Then, the bearing connects to the motor through gears and chains, so the motor can provide a continuous stream of power to the escalator. The two trailing wheels at the bottom of the step serve to guide the step as it moves forward. Each step connects together through a main wheel chain on the side. This is called the step chain, and it is fixed to the upper end of the step. A track system guides these wheels. The step chain runs along the main track of the escalator, while the trailing wheels run on the secondary track. The position and shape of the tracks are the key to keeping the steps perfectly level, which is exactly the secret behind how a flat surface turns into stairs. When the steps reach the end, they flip downward along the track and travel all the way back to the bottom from underneath. Then they continue moving in reverse from the bottom until they return to the top to start the cycle all over again. If you ever unfortunately encounter an escalator malfunction or a power outage, you should leave quickly after confirming it is safe or pressing the emergency stop button. If the escalator were to suddenly start moving, standing completely still would actually be much more dangerous for us. Furthermore, there is a small gear mechanism inside the escalator, and its purpose is to drive the movement of the handrails. So do you know exactly why the forward speed of the handrail needs to be slightly faster than the forward speed of the steps? At the top and bottom ends of the escalator, there is a gear-like component called a comb plate. Its grooves interlock perfectly with the grooves on the steps to prevent foreign objects from getting inside the machine. The edges of the steps are usually painted yellow, and their purpose is to remind us that we should not stand too close to the edge. Finally, let me ask everyone a quick question. What exactly are the brushes on both sides of the escalator used for?